Hello, this is Lewis at Classic Cars, a Stuart. This is a walk-around video. 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, 69,000 miles. It does have the 5.7 liter Hemi. We make these videos for all our out-of-state buyers or online buyers, you know, just to show any imperfections the car may have. This car is currently priced at $11,900. Got a small scuff right here on the bumper. Looks like it's transfer paint. Should be able to be polished out. Got some scratching here on the chrome. Looks like a crack, but it's just the chrome peeling up. There's some right here also peeling up. Tires look amazing. They look like they're brand new. Actually, they might be brand new. I'll go look in my notes and see if we replaced them. Actually, yes, we did. We did all 4 tires on this Jeep. There's the stamp right there, 2025 tires. Does have the side steps. Got some chrome covers. Chrome here. A little bit of chrome there. Awesome Jeep, great price. Does have the tow package. 4x4. Body's nice and straight. Paint's really good. It's not faded or damaged or anything like that. This is an Overland, so you're gonna have the panoramic sunroof. I'll show you inside. Got leather. Nice seats. Got the Overland stitching there. Do have a backup camera. Headliner's nice and clean. There's no rips, no stains. Everything works as it should. Show you the back. You do have heated seats back here. Air vents. That's important. Let's go to the other side. I'll flip up that this seat right here. Flip up the seat to show the condition of it. There we go. No rips. Very nice. I'll open this one here. Very nice. Really nice Jeep. Give us a call. Phone number's 561-529-3101. Classic Cars, a Stuart.